Okay, in this video we're going to shoot pistol slide lock reloads. We're going to shoot it from the 7-meter mark. Okay, correct stance. We're going to break down the drill. So I'm going to do it dry, and I'm going to start from the gun presented as if we've been firing, empty magazine fitted, and slide to the rear. My fast magazine, I want it in a position where I can get it very quickly, and I want the rounds facing forward. If I had the rounds facing this way, it'd be very difficult to try and get out, and then I'd have to turn it in my hand to reseat it back into the magazine. So, starting position, I'm going to have the gun presented on the target as if I've been firing. Through training experience, I get the feel of when a pistol has run empty. So the slide is to the rear, okay, and then I'm going to just break my support hand off the weapon system, hit the magazine release at the same time, fit that magazine and press the slide home, and then carry on the drill with how many rounds the drill requires to refire. Again, weapon's been firing, weapon stops, magazine in, slide home, re-engage. Cues for this one is after you've done the reload is just re-establishing that perfect grip every single time. Once more. There we go. Okay, we're going to go live. This drill, I'm going to fire 1, reload 2 from the draw. That was in 409. Again. .5. And let's do one more. And that's in 3.31. 1 round, reload, 2 rounds. And all rounds in the A zone.